Hello, my name is Mrs. Sprangle. I am the Learning Ally Coordinator here at Downers Grove North. Learning Ally is an audiobook program for students with reading, visual, or physical disabilities. So if you are currently listening to this video, that means you qualified underneath one of those three areas. Things you need to know about the Learning Ally audiobooks. These books are read by volunteers. There are two formats. One is an audio only. So if you had the book or textbook in front of you, you would read along with it. The other is audio plus text, so the text would appear on the screen. As a student with this program, you have an unlimited number of downloads during your time here at DGN, as well as you have the opportunity to take it to college along with you. You can search for titles for both novels and textbooks on Learning Ally, which I will show you later. And there are apps for your Chromebook and your phones.
Full potential. We made it easy to download the app so you can get started right away. Children read their audiobooks by logging into the Learning Ally audiobook app. You can download the app onto all devices your child will use to read. Downloading the app is easy. You just search for Learning Ally in the application store for your devices. For an iPhone or iPad, go to the App Store. For Android devices, including phones and tablets, go to the Google Play Store. If you have a PC or Chromebook, the best place to start is our page, learningally.org/app. There, you can download the app for Windows PCs or get the Chrome app. You can install the appropriate app on your PC or Chromebook and then use it for reading. You can also visit learningally.org/app to find links to all these options. Download the app on all the devices your child will use to read.
So right now, I am going to have you download the Learning Ally extension on your Chromebook. And once you do this, you're going to pin it to your taskbar. Once you have downloaded the app and you open it, you can then go ahead and pin to the taskbar on the bottom of your Chromebook. So the way that you would do that is the two-finger click. So do that on your mouse pad, two-finger click, and you will see pin pop up, and then you could go ahead and pin Learning Ally to your taskbar so that you could easily find it for future use. Now let's focus on how to help you log into your Learning Ally account. For most students here, the login resembles your DGN login. It is that combination of letters and numbers before the @csd99.org email address. For students that are part of the class of 2021 or older, it would be your first name and your ID number combined. But like I said, the majority of you are just the plain old DGN login. Your password simply is your ID number. So go ahead and try to log into learningally.org now.
Welcome to the Learning Ally audiobook solution. Learning Ally's human-read audiobook app can help you read independently, keep up with your classwork, and feel better about school. We made it easy for you to find the books you want and need to read. Start by logging into the Learning Ally audiobook app with your username and password. If you don't have the app installed yet, you can get it from the App Store or Google Play Store, or ask a parent or teacher to help you. Now that you've logged in once, your device will remember you the next time. Select Add Books and you will be redirected to the Browse Audiobooks site. Choose from the Learning Ally's recommendations of popular titles, or use the category filters to find a book that looks interesting. You can also enter the title, author, or subject to find the book that you are looking for specifically. Once you find a book you'd like to read, select Add to Bookshelf. Go back to the Reading app and select Update Books. This video shows the Chrome app. If you are using a mobile app, just choose either the Done or the Back button until you get back to the Reading app. Remember to select Update Books to see the new book on your shelf. Now that you have the book on your bookshelf, you'll need to download it by tapping the down arrow. This will allow you to read whether you're connected to Wi-Fi or not. Don't worry if it takes a few tries before you find a book you like. Keep trying until you find that one you enjoy. Unlike some audiobooks that use computer voices, our books are read by volunteers. Most of our popular titles are recorded as voice text, which includes highlighted text so that you can read along in the app while you listen. Some of our books, usually textbooks, are recorded in classic audio, so you can read along with your own copy of the physical book. If you have trouble finding a title with a voice you enjoy, ask a friend or a teacher to give you recommendations. The Learning Ally audiobook app has dope features to make reading easier and more fun. You can change the colors of the text and background or change the speed of the reading. Play around with the customization features until everything is just how you want it. Then start reading. You will also find a built-in dictionary to help you learn new words. As you are reading, simply press and hold any words you don't know. The dictionary will open and offer you the definition of the word. Sometimes there is more than one meaning. Select the meaning that makes sense to you, and it will save to your own vocabulary list. Then you can keep track of and review all the new words you learn. Does your teacher want you to keep a reading log or cite evidence from the text? The Learning Ally audiobook app can help. As you are reading and you come across a phrase that you need for homework, select the plus icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will select the sentence that you are listening to and allow you to add your own notes. When you've completed your reading for the day, you can print out your notes and turn them in or even email them to your teacher. The Learning Ally audiobook app allows you to read anywhere, anytime, on almost any device. Your reading progress will sync across multiple devices, so be sure to download the app on any device you use. There is no limit to the number of books you can download. If you are having a hard time with reading, start slowly. Even a few minutes a day can help you build stamina. If you are having trouble finding a book you like, it is okay to put it away and keep searching for another book until you find one you like. Remember, recommendations from classmates and teachers might help. Now that you know how to get started with Learning Ally audiobooks, you'll be reading more in no time. As you keep reading, you'll notice it gets easier. You may even notice an improvement in your classes and grades. Happy reading!
If you have questions about Learning Ally, getting books downloaded, or finding a book that you currently have to read for a class, feel free to reach out to your case manager, LRC teacher, or your English teacher. Now we're going to switch over to a brief video about other ebooks and audiobooks that you could find through the DGN library.
Hey everyone, this is Miss Baba from the Downers Grove North Library, and today we're going to talk about how you access our ebook and our audiobook collection. So the first thing I want you to do is make sure that you have bookmarked the Downers Grove Library homepage. So go ahead and go to dgnlibrary.org and make sure that you've bookmarked this page. Once you're on this page, I want you to find the headphones in our Bit Classroom that are in Mrs. Siegert's hands. In those headphones, you're going to see this star. I want you to go ahead and click on that star and then click on Library webpage on digital books. On this webpage, you're going to have all of the information you need. The first place you can find digital ebooks and audiobooks is via Sora. You're going to click on Sora. Now, if you're a freshman, you're going to have to find our library for District 99, and I'm going to show you where those directions are in just a minute. But once I'm in here, I can search for any book that I want. So let's say I want to search for Born a Crime. Here we have both books that we have by Trevor Noah, and the one on the left is Born a Crime. I also can search throughout any of these popular subjects, any of our new ebook editions, anything else on this page, our new audiobook editions, most popular, etc. If you know that you just want to look for audiobooks or you just want to look for ebooks, you can go ahead and click on Preferences right there. Click on Any next to Format, and you can change audiobooks or you can choose ebooks. You also can change everything to only what's available if you would like. You're also going to see on our ebooks and audiobook page that you have access to what's called eRead Illinois. Now, the easiest way to access this is through the Access 360 app. And to be honest, the best thing to do is to either get this on your Chromebook by clicking Download Now, or to use it on your phone just by going to your App Store and searching Access 360. The other thing that I want to point out on this page is that all of these instructions are right here where it says click here for detailed instructions. So if you go on this Google Doc, you're going to see a lot of the stuff I just told you. Option 1 would be to use Sora, and here's your login information here and how you get to Sora. If you are going to use eRead Illinois or Access 360, these are the directions on how to get it. And then again, right here is your login information. For eRead Illinois, you actually don't need a password. You just need your login. If you have access to Learning Ally, you can ask your teacher whether or not you do. Here are the directions for Reading Ally. So those are the ways in which we access ebooks and audiobooks at Downers Grove North High School. If you have any questions, you can email us at dgnlibrary.org. We hope this helped. Please reach out if you have any questions. Have a great day, Trojans.